What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out something completely different. Today we're going to be checking out IT Tools. IT Tools is going to level up your home lab without melting your power bill or requiring another rack unit. If your bookmarks are an absolute disaster of random dev utilities and one-off tools, like that base64 decoder you use once or twice a year but can never find again when you need it, then boy, do I have something for you. If you're new here, my name is JC Laforge, and I do tech videos about home labs, tech, and all other software self-hosted stuff. So welcome to my channel, guys. Subscribe if you like this video at the end. Guys, I stumbled upon this little collection of software and different tools that you might be able to use for everyday use, guys. If you work in tech or if you're just a nerd and you actually need this stuff, it's really handy to have. This here is a collection of tools. You can have this installed on your machine as a Docker container and have it running in the background where whenever you need it, you're going to have it because you can access it using a web UI. So right now, I'm just showing you their demo, which you can go to. And actually, you can even use their demo as long as this site exists. So to install it, guys, all I had to do was go to their GitHub page. And of course, guys, if you like a project, always give them a star, sponsor, or just become a contributor. This always helps out the project if you like the project. And if we scroll all the way down, we can see here that we have two ways to self-host to install from Docker. And we do have the Docker Hub way or the GitHub packages. This is basically the place where you grab the image from. And I like the GitHub package. And I'm going to demonstrate in a while how this actually is going to help us convert this into a Docker Compose file using the IT tools. Okay, before we leave this page, you can see also that you can run it on Cloud Run, RunTP, and also Unraid. So if you guys are familiar with these solutions, that means you can easily run it on there or on their app stores as well. So we're going to copy this. We're going back here to the IT Tools website. Remember, I am on their website, but you can actually host it on your own using Docker. Okay, so let's look for Docker here. And you can see that we can convert the Docker run into the Docker Compose. And now, just by pasting in the command here, Docker run, we get the Docker Compose, which we can download or just copy and then run. So this is one of the tools that you can do. So that's how you install it. This project is kind of an all-in-one software that has so many tools that you can use for everyday life. You can see here we've got, I'm going to collapse some of this so that you can see all of the things we have. So I'm going to go through here and just show you that it's insane the amount of things they have here. Okay, so this here shows you all of the tools, and we're gonna go through some of them, and I'm gonna show you what they do. You have some crypto tools, if you want to generate a token and you need to do different symbols, so you can just generate it directly from here. You have the hash generator, password strength analysis. You can type in your password and then see how long it's gonna take to brute force or hack. And this is just the crypto. By crypto, it's not like crypto. It's more like cryptography, guys. So don't get carried away. Check out this PDF signature checker. And you have conversion here. You can convert all kinds of things, time, date and time, text to Unicode, YAML, JSON, XML, or the type of things. And you have here the URL parser, device information, so you can see all kinds of stuff regarding a device. You have the key code. You can do some WYSIWYG stuff here. You have image and videos, QR code generator, Wi-Fi QR code. I have actually needed this in the past, and I had to go on some janky website to do it. But since now it's integrated in here, you can always use it directly from here. You have SVG holder, stuff generator, camera recorder where you you can just grant permissions. You can see your camera and record. Development, you have, it's insane. You can, like, so many things: network, math, text, measurements. You can do chronometer. You can start a timer. All the things that you have here: statistics, emoji pickers, all types of things you can do here. So guys, I encourage you guys to go onto this website, it-tools.tech, or go to the GitHub here, which is, I think it's made by this Corentin TH. So there you have it. IT Tools is basically essential for any self-respecting home lab. Whether you're managing containers, configuring networks, or just need to quickly encode something in base64 without installing yet another tool, this has you covered. Drop a comment below with what tools you want to see added next, or tell me what other home lab applications you're running that deserve a video. So until next time, keep your servers cool and your Docker containers contained.